Guys and gals, what's up? Sigs and Rigs here again. So, after my last video I did on the on my ultrasonic cleaner, okay, let's just go over it step by step with, so everybody knows how to use one. This is mine, it's fairly big, just so I can put my handguns in there, without taking them down if I want. It's smarter to take them down because everything will get all over what you're trying to clean. So, you'll notice there's a basket in there. It's all stainless steel. Okay? There is a valve over here that actually lets the water out. You can put a hose on there if you want. I don't. I just let it drizzle into that bucket. So what we're gonna clean today is, I just got back from the range. This is my Smith & Wesson 317-22. Make sure it's unloaded before I put it in there. I mean, it's filthy. See that? All the lead and everything. I must have put 400 rounds through it today. Yeah, it's a mess. So what we're going to do, this is what I do when I'm going to clean with my sonic cleaner. Sometimes I don't, sometimes I do. But I like to take some brake free and just cover it. So I'm going to have to put you down for a minute. See if I can get this thing to balance here. So you guys can see everything. Maybe I can do this. I don't think it's gonna work. Hold tight, guys. I'm just gonna spray it down, brake free. Alright. Now, since it's got brake free on it, so it's dripping with brake free, okay? Cylinder, everything. Now, you want to I just use, like I said in the video, water, tap water. And we're just going to fill this guy up. You want to make sure that valve is closed so water doesn't come rushing out of it. And I always just fill it to the top of what I got for water. So, and then I like to leave the cylinder open and just drop the whole gun in there like that. Okay? From there, take this lid, put it on. Now underneath here is where it breathes, so you don't want anything around it. So you take the cord and you plug it in. That was it. Turning on. Now it automatically reads how warm the water is. And you can turn the heater on if you want. It's pretty warm water. And I don't know why it usually starts at, 3 even or 4 even. We'll put it in for, 4 minutes, okay? pause it because with that thing on, you can't hear me at all. So I wasn't talking or anything. I was just trying to show you the finger extension there. Now this is what it looks like after that amount of time. You really can't see the gun anymore, but you can see a lot of crap that came off it. Alright, we'll go for the rest of the time. Just click on again. Oop. Okay, we're all done. Let's check it out. Top of it off. Alright, here's what you do. You all saw that basket. It's got two handles on the side. You just pick it up and drop it over each side. Ooh, there's some hot water. Alright, here's my gun. Now, it did do a lot. Now, all I'm going to have to do is wipe it down. Everything is pretty nice and clean right now. So, I'm just going to have to wipe it down, get all the... Bear with me for a minute. Kind of hard enough to hold anything with. Actually, let's do this. I'll put you back in your place. There. As you can see, I'm just wiping it down. Nothing special. All the stuff's coming with it. So, like the sonic cleaner, what it does is it breaks down the dirt, whatever else is in there, to like nothing. And leaves everything pretty damn clean. But there will always be an area in your gun, your tool, whatever you're trying to clean, that it doesn't get. So you're going to check everything. But that's pretty damn clean. I'd love it to do the trigger and the hammer a lot better than it does, but I think the guy who owned this before me, just didn't care about cleaning. So but I'll tell you, what a hell of a gun. Nice little 22. It's accurate. I love it. When I'm at the range, everybody wants to try it. Nobody can believe how light it is. This thing is a couple of pencils in your hand. That's what this is the weight of this thing feels like. Alright, and what I like to do, even though I've been through the sonic cleaner, is I'll go through every chamber here on the cylinder, back and front. I'll clean it up, and the barrel by hand, and lube it all up, call it a day. Stay armed and safe, guys. Get yourself a sonic cleaner. They're worth every penny. I didn't have to scrub this down with a brush or anything like that. Just destroyed all the dirt. I mean, worth every penny. Stay armed and safe, like I said, guys. Join the NRA, and thanks again for watching my channel.